Welcome back to Over 50 Info, where age meets elegance and style only gets stronger with time. Today, we're spotlighting a model who embodies grace, confidence, and timeless beauty. Say hello to Candice, the stylish force behind the Instagram handle at Sweetie Pie Candice. With 50,000 followers and 236 beautifully curated posts, Candice has built a loyal audience that admires her for more than just looks. They follow her for inspiration, confidence, and a touch of classic charm. Candice brings poise and personality to every post. Her slim figure, radiant smile, and natural confidence make her stand out as a mature model who knows exactly who she is. Her fashion sense blends vintage class with modern flair. Whether she is in a fitted dress, heels, or stylish casual wear, she's always camera ready. What makes Candice truly captivating is her authenticity. There's no over the top glamour here, just a genuine woman celebrating herself through style, movement, and a touch of elegance. Her posts radiate joy and confidence, proving that beauty doesn't fade, it evolves. With only 14 accounts followed, Candice keeps her digital space clean, focused, and intentional. Her page isn't just a profile, it's a personal brand. She's not following trends, she's setting her own standard of mature, self assured femininity. Candice's photos are filled with subtlety and warmth. From home shoots to outdoor strolls, every image reflects her personal style, sophisticated, soft spoken, and unforgettable. If you're not already following at Sweetie Pie Candies, it's time to explore her world, where age is an asset, style is ageless, and confidence is always in fashion. Subscribe to Over 50 Info for more spotlights on mature models who prove that true beauty only gets better with time.